Can we get Dennis Amadeus in the house? I want to know if he can do one more poem and I can put some beats behind it.
Yeah! Yo. Okay. Hey. When I say forgotten, y'all say angels. Forgotten. How many confused inside for picking because they made them choose a side? You don't really choose their side, but you're too afraid you might lose your right. It's funny there's so many colors, but all they keep talking is black and white. It's funny there's so many homies, but they use our money to back their fight. It's a sacrifice that we all make to feel better than those too far away. For those who realize how we all relate, how the darker side is where we all escape, because we're all borderline. Come on, aren't you bored of lying? Yo, we're all borderline. So where will you draw the line? We bring in the guys, pick out their pockets while they're looking up. We say vote or die, but only give options of the crooked ones. Protect the service, and then you go home to cheat on your wife. You fight for the people, but never go home and beat on your wife. I keep changing, and I say that's just the way I am. I'll jump and help you, but it's more to prove how great I am. We shun you away when you make mistakes because we can hide our better. We're all full of shit, doing our best, trying to make it smell better. Cause we're all borderline. Yeah. Aren't you bored of lying? Where will you draw the line? Cause we're borderline. Everybody come on, cause we're all borderline. Aren't you borderline? Where will you draw the line? Hey, real talk, trueness. Usually I don't do this, and I know a lot of rappers, they don't see me as a nuisance. But lately all these movements I've been seeing, they ain't moving. Y'all traded in the hot to be hit. You're producing a sterile ass sound with a whole bunch of yappers. I hate that's how I feel about a lot of these rappers. They need to learn themselves before they learn multi-syllabic. They practice racket backwards, but it's fast you got to whack shit. All I want to see is soul while I'm lighting up my glow. While I'm sitting on this stage with Michael Winslow. The dream come true, can y'all feel me go low? I'm going off the top, so when I say hey, can y'all say ho? Hey, man, that's nice. We call that a christening. I'm really glad that y'all all really listening. Dropping these bars and dropping these bombs. I'm out here happy that we'll get along. I'm grateful for the things that y'all bring to me. We out here riding motorcycles and these things for free. Man, trade it all for the people. Yo, we all love it, we equal. It don't matter where you from, whether race, class, or you rich, or you is a bum. Come ride on these streets, come all get free. You know we good doing this, we ain't doing trees, unless we in the poem. You see what I did? I flip it right back, and I give it to the kid. Go Michael, go Michael, go Michael, go Michael. Oh yeah. Hey, yo. A generation, the way we cross ways. I really like the way that the violin plays. We do it every night and we'll do it every day. And all I need is lights and maybe just a stage. And I say ho, y'all say hey, ho, ho. When I say gas, y'all say gay. Yo, what? Whoa, don't say that, don't say that. That was a mess up on my tongue, but I'll still bring it to you because I'm not from the slums. I'm from the world that we all live in. Can you feel me? Can you all fit in? Of course, because there's one big puzzle. We all have a piece. When you put them together, we all have peace. You see what I did? We all have beef with only one thing, that's evil. Just be unique, just be yourself. We up here doing this real, we doing it well. Would you agree? Would you agree? Hey, when I say Winslow, yo, can we say Winslow? If it don't matter if your wind's low, we still gonna rise you up above the show. Clap your hands if you enjoy the show. Going off the top, so I need a little flow. Need a little energy, I need a little mo. When I say hey, can y'all say ho? I say hey, y'all say, I say hey, and y'all say hey.